Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to connect Oracle Database 19c, which is running in my local Windows 11 machine, with Node.js 18 long-term support version. So here you can see that I already installed Node.js 18 from zip archive file, and it's already available in the Windows command line. That is, it's already added to the Windows path. Okay. Now I'm going to the directory called JS program, which contains logic to connect Oracle Database 19c. So this is the file called oracle 19c.js, contains a logic to connect Oracle Database 19c. So this program required the package called Oracle DB. We need to download from internet. And this program contains connection string, which contain username, password, and database URL. Using that connection string only, we are going to connect to Oracle Database 19c. And this is the Oracle Database 19c running in my local Windows 11 machine. So this is a person table residing in the Oracle Database 19c orcl instance. So I think you have seen the logic. So now I have opened the Windows PowerShell. First I am checking the version, node version. Okay, so next I am checking the npm version. Yes. So Node.js is available in the path. Now I am going to download the Node.js package called Oracle DB. So npm install Oracle DB will download the Oracle DB Node.js package. So you can see it's a downloader under node modules. So Oracle DB 5.5.0 is the current latest version. Okay. So you can navigate the Oracle DB Node.js driver directory structure when you get some free time. Okay, now let me run the program oracle 19c.js. So this is the command node-oracledb. Yes, I can able to fetch the records from person table and display in the console. So Oracle Database 19c connectivity with Node.js 18 long-term support version is successful.